Okay, let's see how it happens. Take a circle tool and draw a circle by holding shift. Make a copy of a circle and another copy. Select all the circles, go to shape builder tool. By holding Alt, delete the extra shapes. Okay, now you can obtain the outer line of the shape. Resize it. Give a color and add a stroke point to 8 and click OK. Take a pen tool, draw some line, select this line, go to properties, strokes. In this profile, click this, then click OK. Finally, you can obtain the shield. For more tutorials, do follow and subscribe the YouTube channel.